Glad to have you back with us. 16-9, Philippine Army with a 7-point lead. Again, Ian Laurel here with Andrew Remulla. And Ateneo's lineup a bit depleted in a way for this match.
Oh, excellent floater from Carolino. Dakis.
Changes her mind. The clock 10 to 16.
Napangiti si Rachel.
Natawa rin siya.
Hindi niya alam kung ano ba gusto kong gawin dito, Papa.
I think lumagpas yung bola, no? Hindi na niyang ihap. Oh, let's see. But I saw her signal to...
pabawiin mo ako.
Oh, pabawiin. Sabi niya kay Iratay. But, not yet.
Sa block pala babawi. Rachel and Alarca, these two had a lot of battles
Oh, yeah.
against each other.
But now, look at them, diba? They are playing for the same team.
That is so true. FEU, itong si Rachel and of course De La Salle University, si Jack Alarca.
Oh, good save by Iratay.
Torres with a high ball to Lazaro. Oh, drop shot from Valdez. They want another one. Torres right there still. Ella with a good dig. Woo! Valdez, what a swing.
Excellent defense by De Jesus. But that set was too long for Gretchen Ho.
Too long and too high because Gretchen was drowned in that set by Tan.
Service.
18 to 10. Good serve from Mayet. Wow.
Alisa Valdez with excellent form.
Right on the money.
Look at this. Yung swing niya, no? And
Ganda.
the pull, yung pull nung arm, the wind up, gives her power.
That's true. Yung, basta yung form eh.
Ang ganda nung form, no?
Oh, yung extension ng kamay niya from the wind up, sabi mo nga, until the follow through.
And that's very important. Makikita mo yung flick ng wrist niya and then she follows through after her contact with the ball.
Because look at that block, elbows over the net. Such a talented young lady. Nice set. That was a nice set for Alisa. Oh, Rachel again misses the line.
And it's a difficult angle ang down the line because you have your attack should be very accurate. Maliit lang kasi yung area na dadaanan ng bola. Poor reception.
Dug up by Lazaro. Humahabol na po itong Ateneo. Down by only 4. And Coach Rico De Guzman of the Philippine Army calls his first time out. Let's listen in.
Itak mo lang yung balikat mo. Ang liit ng blocker mo eh, kasi nun ang tigas-tigas ng balikat mo eh. Sir, ito naman, ang maganda sana yung running. Kaya lang, nakita mo dun sa kabila, bakbang na yung wicket, papunta doon, nag-iisa na yung blocker dito sa open. Tingnan mo rin.
FEU Makati, the newest campus of FEU, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. 14-18. Ateneo making their run right now here in the first set. Too low for Jack Alarca.
Oh, look at that elevation.
Wow!
Getting it right on top of the ball.
Let's see if look at this. Nagpalit eh. Jack Alarca. Ayun, nagpalit sila ni Ersi Iratay kasi gusto nilang protectionan yung down the line, but the smart player, Alisa Valdez, saw that right away.
And
went for the easy cross court against
cross court. And she gets the point.
And she got the point.
Pero yun din yung importante, ano? If you're an attacker, hindi lang lahat ng palo ka lang ng palo. You have to be mindful of your blockers
Yes.
and of the other side. Decision making, last minute yan pagkatalon mo na.
Kita mo yung adjustment ng Philippine Army na yun for the block. So, it just shows you how experienced this Philippine Army team is.
Nobody there. 20, 16. Timeout. Score 15, Ateneo. 20.
Ateneo's turn to call a timeout. Let's listen in. Coach Parley Tupaz.
Hindi kayo gising. Ano yung mga hindi na maabot. Huwag mo padaanin sa Sinaratay, sa dulo ha. Sa dulo ka din ha. Ha?
Alright, we're back in first set of play. And again, meron tayong babatiin ng happy birthday. Mr. Barry Pascua, happy birthday on September 4.
Advanced happy birthday. This is going to be a month-long celebration
for Barry Pascua.
for Barry Pascua.
Kahit inaantok na si Barry Pascua at nagigising siya tuwing binabanggit yung
Of
birthday niya sa
course.
September 4.
Of course.
Rachel with her first point officially with that down the line hit. Jack Alarca serving. I believe she won one of those best server
Yes.
awards
Always been a steady server.
in previous years. 22-15. Ateneo with their final timeout of the set.
Tulungan mo si Lela. Ha? Hindi kaya ano. Hindi mo naman yung Eliza. Open. Ha? Andun si Rata eh. Meron ba sa ito? Dalawang music natin.
Alright, Coach Parley Tupaz, of course, making sure that Ateneo does not give up this set. They're down by only 7 points, although itong Army needs only 3 more points to close it out. Jack Alarca,
Oh.
excellent serve.
Poor reception for Ateneo.
They go to Bunag for that quick attack. Rachel with a save. They go back row to Mayet. Oh!
Nobody there to get that ball.
And Giselle Tan was saying, akin ba?
Confirming,
Oh.
kung tama. Of course, normally, yung makikita natin talagang nagsaset dito sa Ateneo is really Jem Ferrer. So,
Adjustments being made, of
yep.
course, by the new player. Gretchen, dug up by Mayet. They go to Rachel. Then si Alisa. Good save. Jesus keeping it alive, keeping the ball in play. Good save. Rachel again dug up by Ella.
Valdez.
Off speed. Nice save by Ahomiro.
Oh, that error, however, gives that point to the Philippine Army.
And,
Although,
yeah,
good
set
job
point.
to Ateneo, no? Because ang ganda nung depensa na pinakita nila in that rally.
Alarca with the serve to Ella.
Oh, again, the set is too high for Gretchen.
Mabagal yung dating ng bola eh. Not the same speed as a Jem Ferrer would have set it, no? So,
So different timing is needed. In the meantime, let's take a look at her shake in play.
saved by Rachel. This time they go back row to Mayet.
And look at that, very smart play by Mayet Carolino.
First set goes to the Philippine Army, 25-15. We'll be right back.